BMW i represents a range of vehicles conceived with a vision for a sustainable world. Now, the new BMW i3 moves the vision forward, delivering an impressive 0 to 62 in 7.3 seconds. The exterior instantly conveys the i3's dynamism. The reimagined U-shaped feature line in matte black and new horizontal LED indicators visually widen and lower the front of the car for a muscular presence. Full LED headlights now come as standard. The roof layer, finished in high-gloss black with chrome optic line, lower the perceived height for an assertively balanced stance. The rear once again emphasizes the evident sportiness of the new i3, with the visual width further enhanced by the horizontal chrome line. The BMW i3's new imperial blue color option perfectly complements its striking looks. Opening the coach doors, we immediately appreciate the stunning sense of spaciousness. 4 interior worlds allow you to choose a style that reflects your own tastes. The use of natural fibers, including naturally tanned leather, create an innovative interior experience. And the interior space is as versatile as it is attractive, with its generous storage capacity. The new BMW i3 puts outstanding technology at your fingertips, with the latest ID6 interface featuring BMW Live Tiles. Plan the most efficient journey, accounting for charge stations en route, with BMW Professional Navigation System and 3D mapping now as standard. The wide range of BMW connected drive services allow you to stay connected to the world outside. The high-voltage battery can be charged from 0 to 80% in just 40 minutes at a quick charging station. Home charging can be completed in under 10 hours using a 3-pin plug, or under 4 hours via the optional BMW i wall box. Sitting in the driving seat, a 5.7-inch color instrument display conveys all important information to the driver. And it's in the driving that the new i3 really comes alive, with all the agility and exhilaration you'd expect. The new BMW i3, driving in a new space.